Now we will discuss about cotton in detail, how we obtain the cotton fibers from the cotton plant and in which way the cultivation of cotton is done. Firstly, we will discuss about the characteristics of the cotton plant and when it is grown. Cultivation of the cotton seed is done in early spring. When done in early spring season, it is done. And which type? Next question is regarding cultivation of cotton is that which type of weather it requires? Which type of weather it requires? It requires warm climate for its growth. And which type of the soil it requires? It requires black clay soil. Three things we have done. When the cotton seeds are grown, cotton seeds are grown in early spring. Which type of weather it requires? It requires warm climate. And which type of soil it requires? It requires black clay soil. After when the cotton plant have grown, it's a characteristic how it looks. Cotton plants are mostly bushy and 1 to 2 meters tall. After some time, what will happen? There will be the white yellow flowers on the plant, which will turn into red color in a few days. And after that, flowers will grow into walnut sized structures. Firstly, there will be flowers of white yellow color. That yellow color flowers will turn into red color. And then these flowers will turn into spherical walnut structures. These walnut structures are called cotton balls. What are cotton balls? The walnut sized structures which are appearing on the cotton plant that are called cotton balls. When these cotton balls have matured, means these have taken its full amount of food or diet, these cotton ball will turn into brown color, and at its maturity, when it will develop properly, cotton balls will burst, it will open, and when it will open, we can see the fibers inside that like this. Firstly, these are red color flowers, and from that flowers there are walnut sized structures which are called cotton ball. When these cotton ball have become mature, they will burst and cotton fibers will appear in that. And cotton fibers are picked by hand from the plants. This is the cultivation of cotton. After that, we will discuss about the processing of cotton. The cotton fibers which we have taken from the cotton plants, how from them we will obtain the cotton cloth material. Now we have only taken the cotton fibers from the cotton plant. For that, 4 processes are there. First is ginning, second spinning, next is weaving and knitting. Processing of cotton, it involves 4 processes. Firstly, ginning, spinning, weaving and knitting. Now we will discuss in detail about the ginning process. Firstly, the cotton fibers which we have taken from the cotton plant, that fibers have seeds inside that. What they have? Cotton fibers have seeds. And the process of ginning is to remove the seeds. We remove the seeds from the cotton fibers. That process is called ginning. Then that cotton from which seeds are separated, that is transported to the factories by the trucks, railway and the ships. Ginning is done with the help of the machines, and it can be also done with the help of hands. Second process is spinning. In ginning, we have separated the seeds from the cotton fibers. What we will do in spinning? Actually, spinning is a process to obtain yarn from cotton fibers. What will be done in spinning process? The cotton fibers which we have separated from seeds, they are loosened and cleaned and dried. Cleaned from the leaves, waste material. Then that cleaned cotton is fed into machine. That cleaned cotton is sent into a machine. In the machine, what will happen? That cotton fibers are combed, straightened, and are converted into loose rope-like strands. These strands are called sliver. Rope-like strands are called sliver. Actually, strands are the thin separate structures, fiber-like, thread-like structures. From the strands, we will obtain the yarn. Then these strands are converted into yarn. How? These strands will be pulled and straightened, and these strands same time will be twisted like that way. That means straightened, now twisted, and in this way we will obtain the yarn thread. Firstly, what we have done, cotton fibers which are separated from the seeds by ginning process, they are loosened, then sent into a machine. With the help of machine, that are combed, straightened and converted into the strands which are called sliver, and from the strands these